Asia from B-Flex. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Puff Series heat transfer vinyl. The Puff Series heat transfer vinyls are films with a special puffing effect that activates during the heat press process, creating three-dimensional and eye-catching graphics. The Puff Series is available in 20 colors, including 3 with a neon finish and 4 with a metallic finish. Inside the package, you'll find the puff film and the datasheet with washing and application instructions. Using the Puff Series is as simple as this. Place the film on the cutting mat with the matte side, which is the liner, facing down. In this case, you might need to use some masking tape to help the film adhere better to the mat. Set your design in the software. Remember to mirror your design. Insert the heat transfer into the plotter with the liner facing down and proceed with the mirror cut of the design. After the cut is complete, remove the film from the plotter and trim the graphic with scissors. Weed the excess material. During the weeding phase, if some details rise, we can easily reposition them thanks to the adhesive liner. The graphic is now ready to be pressed. For a proper application, it's essential to carefully follow the time and temperature instructions suggested in the datasheet. The Puff Series heat transfer vinyls need to be pressed with high and even pressure, so it's very important to apply more force than usual on your heat press. We do not recommend using the heat press MIDI or a home iron as they wouldn't allow adequate pressure on the film. The application can be done using the Heat Press Mini. To achieve the best result, make sure to work on a stable work surface and a rigid surface like a rubber mat. Let's see how to apply the regular colors of the Puff Series. Place the garment on your work surface. Preheat the garment to remove moisture and wrinkles. Place the graphic on the garment with the matte side, which is the liner, facing up. Set the heat press according to the time and temperature suggested on the datasheet. Now let's press the graphic, making sure to apply adequate pressure over the entire area of the graphic for the time specified in the datasheet. Immediately remove the liner, as you'll see that it will lift on its own right after the application. Now let's see how to apply the metallic colors of the Puff Series. Preheat the garment to remove moisture and wrinkles. Place the graphic on the garment with the matte side, which is the liner, facing up. The metallic colors of the Puff Series need to be pressed in 2 steps. Set the heat press according to the time and temperature suggested on the datasheet and proceed with the first press. Now let the liner cool down completely before removing it. Now cover the graphic with a sheet of parchment paper and proceed with the second press for the time and temperature suggested in the datasheet. Here there are our finished t-shirts. We recommend to wait 12 hours before first washing and to follow the washing instructions specified on the datasheet. For a longer lasting result, we recommend washing the garment inside out. If you want to use this design for your applications too, you can find it at the link in the description. Bye!